Hey guys, welcome back to IKeFam Driving School.
Today's episode is about how to deal with Wolverhampton Test Route Roundabout, Bilston and then Coseley Roundabout. Dated road markings around that two roundabouts. So today I'm going to take my time to give you step-by-step instructions how the lane that you need to take when you're going right, especially when you're coming from the test center. The examiner can tell you to follow the direction towards Dudley. So when you hear that, that means that both roundabout you're going third exit on the right. So all watch the video together, and I think that from today onwards you will know how to deal with it. So let's work together. After the first junction, before you get to that point, you need to check your mirrors center right. After that, you signal right. And then keep on the right lane. When you are leaving or exit for the first roundabout, you still keep on the right lane. Right observation, keep looking until it's safe. Make sure you don't rush. Make sure you check safeguard before you enter the runabout. Look, the blackout coming is too high speed, so you need to be careful. Always check again and then check your speed before you emit or you enter the runabout. That's a serious fault. Junction observation. And then still keep maintain the right lane. And then this point you check mirror center left, indicate left, and then you still maintain the right lane. And then this point you cancel the signal on the left and the signal right because you're going third exit on the next roundabout. So at this point you do your right mirror checks and then observation on your right. Keep looking, it's not safe, they're all turning towards you. That ambulance is going straight, and that means that it's safe for you to carry on. And this runabout, make sure you be very careful because the second lane is going to divide into two. And then if you're going third exit, we need to keep left one. And if you're going back to Bilston, you need to keep the right one. So at times, people mix up on going to the right instead of keep maintaining the left. And then when you're exiting too, you can check center left. If the first lane is safe, you can go straight to the left lane. But if there's a car coming at a high speed, then you can keep on the right. And then later, you check center left and move back to the left lane because that's a normal driving position. Okay, let's watch it again. So now you're still on the right lane because you're going third on the both roundabout. So first one, make sure you stay on the right lane. And then if you keep on going around, when you pass the second exit, you check center left mirrors and you signal. You still keep the right lane because you're going to get to the next roundabout taking the third exit. This time is empty, no one coming from the right. So you keep on going around. Check center left mirror, signal left, the right lane. You cancel the left signal, you check center right, and then you signal right. Make sure you check the right observation properly. The story time is empty. And then in case if you make a mistake, instead of keeping the left lane and you keep on the right, don't worry, just keep on going around. This time, if you try to cut across, that will become a serious fault. If you still be on Bilston lane, just keep on going around. So still following the Bilston, keep on going. Down here, you start from A463, then keep following A463. So you bring you back where you want to next the lane. So you're now back to the same point. So this time you keep the left one. Back to the same point. So this time you keep the left one and then pick the left lane. Keep on going. Here you check center left mirrors, left lane. If there's a car coming, you can still maintain the right lane. There's no inner fault about that. So check the car on the right is doing a wrong thing. If you look, that's a serious fault. You cross two lanes. Okay, that's the end. So thank you for watching.
Download the IKeFam app for real test routes like this to practice and pass first time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other learners. See you in the next video.